Friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to increase the brightness of your footage or your video clips in DaVinci Resolve 19. Now I have one video here. Let me make this timeline a bit smaller and I'm going to simply duplicate this clip. So let me go ahead and duplicate the clip by simply pressing Alt on my keyboard and drag this here towards the right hand side. So now I have two clips and I'm gonna go ahead and increase the brightness of this first clip and so that you can compare it with the second clip. So in order to change the brightness here, you want to click on color. Ensure that you click on the color wheel. There are a few options there at the bottom left. So ensure that you're not on HDR, you're not on the color match, but you're on color wheel. If you hover over it, you'll see it says color wheel. And then you want to focus on three options. You want to focus on the color boost, the shadow, and the highlight. So you can start with, for example, the shadows. You can click here and you can drag that to the right, or you can enter a value manually. If you double click, you can change the value if you want. So you can change this to like 10 and just simply hit enter, and that's going to make it for you. Or you can simply drag it from the left to the right in that area and it will change it for you. So let's leave it to about 12 there. You can do the same for the highlight as well by making it, drag it to the right, and as you can see, it's making it lighter or darker. So I'm gonna just leave it to about that. The same goes for colors. We can make it as much as colorful as we want by dragging it to the right. And that's it. That's how to go ahead and increase the brightness of your footage. Now let me go back to edit so we can compare both videos. So this is the first video here, which I am changing the color brightness for. You can see the color here. And this is the second video. You can see how it look, right? So you can see, for example, at this stage here in the video and at this stage in the video, you can see the difference that I've made it brighter. And that's it, guys. How easy it is to increase the brightness of your footage, guys, in DaVinci Resolve 19. Very easy and very simple.